So I haven't driven this car in the past 5 days. Yeah. What's it called? I got an oil change. It's on Friday, and they put in the wrong oil. I thought the car was good, so I didn't really question them because I used them for, you know, the body shop. So didn't really think they would screw up on an oil change. And an oil change, you know, very simple. But so what they ended up doing was they put in the wrong oil, and later that night I took the car out for a ride, you know, and I did a burnout. You know, I'll put the video up of me doing a burnout. But mid burnout, the car goes into limp mode, and I'm like, oh, what just happened? So when I had the black Mustang, when it would go into limp mode, I would shut it off for like 10 minutes and then it would go back to normal. So I had the check engine light, I had limp mode, the wrench on, and it was riding very crappy, and I was like, what is going on? Then I told my boy, I was like, yo, is the car driving, like, do you feel it? He goes, yeah, I do. And I didn't really think much of it. So I get to now I drop him off, and I was driving and the car just shuts off on me, and I'm like, what just happened? You know, I didn't really think much of it, but I got it towed to my shop. The following day, I pick up the car from my shop, and it turns on, and I take it to my builder, and he goes, did you just get an oil change? I was like, yeah, why? He goes, your oil temperature is very high. They put the wrong oil. I'm like, oh my God. And he was like, look, when you put on your turbos, you cannot be doing that, because, you know, anything could go wrong. So I'm taking it to him to, what's it called, to drain the oil, put in the correct oil, and hopefully that changes it, because right now it's just
X-band, K-band, K-A-band,
you know,
laser,
like it does all of what it has
GPS connected.
Yeah, so
User mark ahead.
yeah, I won't be taking this car to change the oil. I will not discuss,
User mark ahead.
because,
User mark ahead.
you know, we're close with them.
User
So
mark ahead.
I'd rather not even, like, you know, start any problems, because I don't really need issues like my business with their business, because like they bring us business and whatnot, but I'm gonna be very picky on what to bring to them. So I will show you guys when we're at Nick's shop, but as of right now the car is riding like shit. Yeah, I haven't driven it for a couple days now. It's very sad, because I really want to do more burnouts, you know. Like, honestly, I have a lot of tire left for the amount of burnouts that I do. But yeah, it's very sad, very sad. But hopefully turbos go in soon, and yeah, all this is gonna go away. Well, just this part, and then the rest goes right under the car. And yeah, and then we got my guys over there, they're working hard. But yeah, just thought I'd give you guys an update on why I haven't been uploading, and why I haven't than driving my car. So, yep. So what we did is got new oil, you know, because that was the issue. So we are doing another oil change because that's why my car's been acting weird, because of the oil change. So yeah, we're on my way. We're on the way to get this fixed. And yeah, he was like, it's all right if you drive to the store and back, and that's it. Don't push it, don't do anything. So that's what we're doing. We're cruising, and hopefully it doesn't shut off or act up. But yeah, we're getting an oil change part 2. So we're doing a second oil change just to get rid of the bad oil that's in it, and then putting new oil in it. Look at this dud. Vinny, your car is a dud. Oh man. Whew. Sheesh. It's Mustang heaven. Finally, oil change. See if you guys can see it. Oh shit. I might actually need tires soon. But yeah. It ain't no change because yeah, last time I did an oil change was the wrong oil. So now we are putting the correct oil. So yeah. Oh yeah. Since people want to say I'm not stocked, I'm fully stocked right now. Yep, fully stocked. What? Yeah, who knew wrong oil could mess up the car the way it did? The blue really looks nice. Hmm? The blue really looks nice.
It's a nice color.
I'm kind of happy I went with this blue.
It's a nice color. 100%.
So we are almost done with the filter. I mean, the oil change. They drained it. They put in the new filter, and hopefully it didn't do damage. So, yep. Now it's time to enjoy the car. So we got the oil change. Now it's settled in. Now it's time to go for a test drive and see how it is, and hopefully nothing happened to the motor because of the wrong oil that they put in. I didn't even know that. Like, honestly, I work with these people and they usually take care of me. You know, we're already enjoying the ride. It's not that bad. It's not shaking like it was before. So that's a good sign. We're low on gas. It is what it is. I'm gonna go fill up and I'm gonna go get food. But yeah, I'll take you guys on this test drive and show you what a stock 5.0 can really do, because you know, it really amazes me on Mexico, so all of this is legal. Oh. Yeah, let's relax. Hold on. They're probably like right there. Oh. Nope, nothing. Oh, okay. That's weird. So, like I said earlier, I haven't driven the car because of the oil, and Nick was like, yo, don't drive the car, and you know, because bad oil, it's not good for the car. So I haven't driven the car. The car's been sitting, and this is the first drive, so I missed this. So, car's running good, like it's supposed to. I'm gonna go get gas and I'm gonna go get food because right after work I went straight to the shop and I was waiting there, picked up some oil, and yeah, so now car's good, but I'm still waiting on my kit to start coming in. That way I can really start producing more content, because what we're doing is going to be crazy. And this car is going to be a monster once we're done. But for now, you guys are going to have to look how stock she is, you know? But, yep, that's all for today.